I just found the next best thing you should be doing that would make you tons of money this year. And I'm talking about selling coloring books. Now, don't skip yet because I'm telling you that with this, people have been creating and selling this on Amazon and making thousands of dollars with it. Now, just look at one of these coloring books. Imagine this coloring book selling at 7.99, let's say $8. And we all know that not everybody even leaves reviews after purchasing. Almost 1,500 persons left reviews. That is thousands of dollars being made already. And it is so easy to do as anyone can do this from anywhere at all. And it requires literally little or no skills. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with creating these coloring books. And of course, the right kind of coloring books you want to be selling. Now, these coloring books are hot selling right now. And the beautiful thing about this is you wouldn't need to have to worry about inventory because Amazon will help you do the printing, do the shipping once you create the coloring book and upload it to Amazon. Now, we're going to start by creating these coloring books. And to do this, we can easily leverage on Canva. I talk about Canva a lot. Canva is literally my go-to tool. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go on Amazon. Since we are selling on Amazon, you want to go on Amazon and simply search for Amazon coloring books or coloring books, so to say. And when you do that, it will obviously give you a list of all the coloring books out there. What you want to do is you want to look for the best sellers because that will give you a hint or an idea on what people actually prefer and what people are actually buying at the time. So for the best sellers, you can see more of cozy prints, basically about super cute animal characters. You can see super cute animal characters, super cute animal characters. This one is also animal characters too. So of course we have an idea. We want to do a coloring book on super cute characters. So the first thing we want to go to is go to Canva and you can easily search coloring books. When you search coloring books, Canva has tons of templates and it will give you templates based off your search. So I have seen this template here and let us make use of it. Now we can easily customize this template. Do note that not all the templates on Canva are free as some of them requires that you have a Canva Pro subscription, which I do have. However, Canva offers a 30 days free trial of the Pro version, so you can as well leverage that. So now you can see this is how our coloring book is going to look like. This is something that, of course, you can edit just to, make it more cute. And for our coloring books, we have 10 pages here. You may want to make it more if you want to charge more for your coloring books, maybe 40, 30, 35 pages. So if you want to make it more, you can simply go ahead and add page, or if you want to copy the same format, you can just duplicate it and of course edit. So for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be leveraging this and we just want to make little changes. For example, this is wildlife and we are looking for cute animals, the kind of bears, penguins, rabbits and the like. So we can just tweak this a little bit. We have zebra here. Let's say we want to put rabbits. So we want to go to elements here and simply search for cute rabbits outline. Remember, when you're searching for this on Canva, the more specific you are, the more it will give you results that are closely related to what you ask. So you can see I've put in rabbit outline and it has given us things that we can actually color. So you can see them, they are colorable, unlike this one that is colored. So we can have this deleted and let us add this here. We can increase the size here just to make it bigger and we can write rabbits. Another thing we can do is we want to change this one to, let's talk about cute bear outline. So we can delete this and we can put this here, or let us put the bear with the trees just to make it cuter. Once we do that, of course, we want to change this to bear. Now we can put cute penguin outline and we just want to pick one that seems cute and adorable. So let's take this out and use this. Now always make sure it has the same consistency with the thickness. For example, you can see this bear and this penguin, they are both thick, but this penguin seems a bit thicker. So we may just want to reduce the transparency and it looks similar this way. So we can change it here to penguin let's put each on each page. I don't like the way it's so small. So we have penguin here. Then we can make our bear bigger. I'm looking for another bear because I want it to be as big as possible, and I don't want trees making it smaller. So you can see we have our bear here, then our penguin here. Then we can leave the panda here. We can also leave the hippo. They look cute. For the cobra, we can change it to a chick. So let's use this one. Now we can leave the elephant and the rhino. You can leave the koala. For the cheetah, we can change it to frog. So we can use this one here, and of course change that. So this is, just an example, and this was done easy peasy. You can see I had literally no need for any design experience. I want our giraffe to be cuter. Let's see if we can see something cuter. This looks cute. We'll drag this up. I'll put a giraffe here. We have our elephant. We have our rhino. Let's make our cheek not too thick. Let's use this for our cheek so it's not so thick. So we have our chick, we have our panda, we have our penguin, deer, rabbit, and all of that. Then for this, we can just, make it cute. We can say cozy buddies. We want to reduce the distance or the spacing. Cozy buddies, coloring books. Then we can, just to make the fronts look cute, we can check cute backgrounds. And you can literally use any of this. Let's use this and see how it works. Set it as background, and you can see it looks cute. Then we want to add our cute animals, but this time we want to make them together and colored because this is the front page of our book and we want to make it enticing. So you can just look for cute animals together. Cozy buddies, we can make the color blue. So we have our cute animals here. So we want to take all this out. I can simply add these ones here at the bottom here. Then let's have a monkey up here. And of course, a cute bird. Okay, so we have a bird here. So we take the out. We have the bird, flip it to the other side. Make it small, and I just want the bird standing on the cloud here. Cozy buddies. Let's take it up here, and the coloring book should come up here. We can then make this image bigger. So you can see that we have designed this in less than how many minutes. And like I said, you want to put in more effort when you are, of course, putting your images. You want to make them cute. You want to make them interesting because these are coloring books for kids. And once you do that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and download it. Once you download it, you have that saved. And the next thing you want to do is go on Amazon, KDP, and upload. Now, this particular part is really easy. It's straightforward. You want to just go ahead, create your book, and just fill in all the details. Your book title, you want to fill it. For example, our book title was Cozy Buddies, but then when it comes to the subtitle, you want to put in as much detail as possible because people may not search for Cozy Buddies, but whatever they will search for. For example, let me give you an instance. You can see Cozy Friends. You can see Cozy Friends coloring books for adult teens featuring super cute animal characters with easy and simple designs for... Now that is way long, but what I'm saying is you can see that they put in as much keywords as possible. Coloring books for teens, animal characters, just to make it as detailed and easy to look for as possible. And the next thing is you want to fill all this. You want to put in your description. What's your book about? It's for animal characters. If you are doing animal characters, you will just want to leave in your description. But what I want to point out here is the keywords because this is super, super important for how people find your product. So basically what keywords are they are words or dominant words that people put in the search bar when they are looking for something. So when typing in your keyword, you want to think like a buyer. If someone who is looking for a book to buy, a coloring book to buy for her kids, what exactly would she or he put in the search bar? And you want to put in those keywords there. You want to put in broader keywords as well as much more detailed keywords. So you can put in coloring books, then you can put in coloring books for kids, then you can put in animal characters coloring books. You want to make as detailed as possible. So, and believe me, this is hot selling right now. And this is something that is also passive, because once you put it and you upload it, you fix it up on Amazon, you put in your keywords and you do it rightly, you have fixed it up to be able to continuously make money, because not just are you not going to be the one doing the actual printing, because Amazon will do that for you. You would also not need to worry about shipping to your customers. Amazon will literally cover all that for you, and all you need to do is count your money. If you found this super helpful, make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Have you ever created or uploaded a book on Amazon KDP? Let me know in the comment section. Make sure to also subscribe for more. I've also made a video on Amazon affiliate marketing. This is also a very, very amazing niche that is hot selling. I'm just going to be leaving the video to the end of this video so you can click it and go check it out.